Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Pat Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacchino, checking in on Bitcoin. I did do a reverse scan box, so we came up to this low on the 16th of July, back in time to the 12th of July. I was looking for some confluence as we broke above this significant level with these prior tops, and came up with 93.90 and 94.33. You see spiking up just above that 94.33, which also lined up really nicely with these candle bodies. That was a really good target. Backing off, closing a couple times just above our 93.90, which I was watching 9400, pulling back to the significant level, which we've had on this chart for a very long time, 9300, rallying back up right now, sitting at 93.90 again. So now you can always do the forward GAN box to this high. So above 94.38, 94.75, I'm going to ignore this number, 94.92. You can always watch 9,500 just because so many people watch the round numbers. I'm going to be focused on 95.25 area, and then major cluster area at 95, about 47 to 95.57, so 95.50. Above there on a continued rally, 96.40. Let's take a look at that daily chart to keep it in perspective. Daily chart here. So you see, even with this rally, we're still just in congestion. You're just traveling from one region to another. Even above this 95.25 level and above this 96.40, you then target the candle bodies about 97.90. So there's lots of still overhead resistance coming in. Let me drop back that 4 hour. The key support's 9,300 with the rising rotation zone. If we did drop below that, I'd start watching back down to about 92.30 to 92.50. And if we drop below there, 91.75. Can't really watch the rotation zone on the daily. It's flat. So those are all the key levels. Just keep in mind, it's just until it really gets out of this huge congestion, it's just scalping back and forth. Looking at Ethereum 4 hour chart. So also I did the reverse GAN box from the lows on July 15th back in time to the highs on the 13th. That's why it's a reverse GAN box, giving me a 247.32 area, spiking up just shy of it, 243.50, pulling back to the rotation zone just below the significant level, rotating back up. Still watch that 247.32, and above that we have but I'm going to watch about 249, right in between these two levels. Those are the key areas. Above that, I'll now just switch it to the forward GAN box for everybody so they know the next levels. So again, reinforcing that 249 area, then 251.53. Support, first area, watching these two candle bodies with the top of the rotation zone, about 244.50. If we did drop below that, I'm just focused on the significant level of 243 with the rising rotation zone. If we did drop about a little below it, I wouldn't want it to get below about 242 at all. Daily chart. Let's see what we have. So bigger picture, we're trading near the top of resistance. So if we can break above 253.60, you can also put backwards in time. Let me drop this down. I'm going to do another. I hate when that happens. Here we go. I need to pull this one off. All right. Because these are your major levels. Now for your minor levels, we can go to here, and to these swing lows. So that's another reverse GAN box. So now, if we get above the 253.60, 258.40, 263.21 are your next levels higher if this does break out of congestion and consolidation. So we have for you on Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we'll talk to everyone later. Bye for now.